Shedeur Sanders in legal hot water. The rookie quarterback reportedly faces a fourth-degree offense after being stopped near Cleveland. Shedeur Sanders is wanted by police in Strongsville, Ohio. The rookie quarterback for the Cleveland Browns received a citation from the local department, according to a police report obtained by ESPN, for driving his Dodge TRX pickup truck at 101 miles per hour. The report states that an officer pulled over Deion Sanders' son at 12:24 a.m. on Tuesday, June 17, after clocking him driving 41 miles per hour over the posted speed limit of 60 miles per hour on Interstate 71 near Ohio Route 82. Sanders is due in Strongsville Court on May 3, as the citation qualifies as a fourth-degree offense. However, he could avoid further legal proceedings by paying a $250 fine. The former University of Colorado quarterback was in Cleveland to take part in the Browns' mandatory minicamp. Sanders joined the franchise as a fifth-round pick in the most recent NFL draft. Sanders challenged to be Browns' starting QB. Sanders is currently facing a steep challenge in his attempt to become the Browns' starting quarterback for 2025. The main obstacle is his spot on the depth chart. He's fourth in line behind Joe Flacco, Kenny Pickett, and Dillon Gabriel, according to data compiled by ESPN Cleveland during organized team activities and minicamp. All four quarterbacks have shown promise during training, but Sanders is the only one who's thrown an interception. The 23-year-old completed 41 of 53 passes for 9 touchdowns and 1 turnover. Only Pickett, 63, and Gabriel, 83, attempted more passes, but only the latter completed more than Sanders with 48. Shedeur Sanders, the youthfully poised 23-year-old quarterback for the Cleveland Browns and son of Hall of Famer Deion Sanders, found himself in hot water late Tuesday night. The setting, Interstate 71 near Strongsville, Ohio. Radar clocks him at a startling 101 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone, clearly breaking the law and maybe caution, culminating in a fourth-degree misdemeanor citation. In cinematic slow motion, police lights flicker in the darkness, a Dodge TRX pickup with Colorado plates eases to a stop, and a cooperative, yet surprised young QB emerges. A calm exchange. Citation issued. A misstep, or merely youthful exuberance? Either way, the law offers him two paths. Pony up a $250 fine or face a court date on July 3. Flashback. Draft day drama, a $100 million lawsuit. But there's more than speeding drama. Back in May, another legal storm brewed, sparked not by Shedeur himself, but by an anonymous federal lawsuit filed by John Doe, a self-identified Colorado Buffaloes fan. Here's the gist. Object of complaint, the NFL. Allegations that leaked narratives suggesting Shedeur tanked interviews was too cocky and unprepared are slanderous, and that these rumors contributed to his slit from a projected first-round pick down to the fifth round. Legal beef. Violations of the Sherman Antitrust Act, Anti-Collusion, Civil Rights Act, race discrimination, plus consumer protection and emotional distress claims. Damages sought, $100 million, an NFL apology, public acknowledgement, and reforms to the draft process. While this fan insisted he was personally affected, even triggering therapy sessions, the mainstream legal consensus brands the suit frivolous. Legal scholars have pointed out shaky standing, vague allegations, and inflated damages. The consensus is nearly unanimous. It likely won't progress past early dismissal. Dual currents, headlines and backdrops. Suddenly, Shedeur Sanders finds himself riding two legal waves, one his own, another reshaped by forces around him. The speeding charge, real, concrete. Time, place, law. Tuesday around 12:30 a.m., Interstate 71, Strongsville. Consequence, a misdemeanor, a $250 fine, or the choice to fight it in court. The draft drop lawsuit, speculative, indirect. A media-fueled narrative. The actions of a lone fan seeking money and apology for his distress, not Shedeur's. Both stories pull at broader themes. Celebrity accountability, Athletes increasingly face scrutiny not just for their on-field performances, but their off-field conduct. Shedeur speed limits to draft day drama is all magnified in the public eye. The echo chamber of media narratives. Did stories about Shedeur's demeanor really impact his draft stock? One fan thinks so, and the NFL draft, for its part, is a high-stakes chessboard narrative, hype, and scoreboard stats. Justice and frivolity. One case underwhelms, a $250 fixable charge. The other inflates expectations, $100 million for emotional distress. Courts usually convey skepticism when pain is purely vicarious.